Hello students and welcome to Mrs. Browning's virtual classroom. I'm Mrs. Browning. I'm glad you're here today. Today's project we're going to work on is called Splash. It's a photography project that we did similar to one a couple of weeks ago where we used food coloring in jars. Today we're going to use a jar and take objects as they're floating, and we'll be taking pictures of those. I'm going to demonstrate how you're going to do this. Again, you need a jar full of water, several objects, and your phone. If you have a partner that can drop the objects for you, that'd be helpful because they tend to go fairly quickly. Our first object is a little ceramic snowman spoon. So we'll drop him in the jar and watch him bounce around. The hard about this project is finding things that float. They either tend to want to stay on top or go directly to the bottom. So that's your challenge, is to find 4 or 5 objects that will float. We have a Dum Dum candy from the Hedgie box. And that worked pretty good. If you can catch some bubbles coming up, sometimes they come up. If you can catch those, that'd be a great photo op. And our last object is a Twix with a paper clip attached. So drop it in, and then you're going to be taking your photos. They drop in. Again, it'd be good to have a partner so that as soon as it drops, you can start taking your photos. That's it for today's project. Find some cool things you can take a photo of. Send the photos to me and we'll have them on a future projects article. Have a great day.